So I got the tires on anyway. These are called Road Hog, and they're just a cheap Chinese brand, but I've researched these to see how they compare to other top brand names, and these are fairly good. They actually do perform very well. So I'm going to see what they're like on the car, and how to, you know, this is an everyday car. I don't use it to race, I don't use it to do anything like that, so that's what these are for. It's just to get me from A to B, kind of. Okay, so like I said in my previous video, they're not brand new, so they do have some marks on it, like just here. See, there are a few marks on them. This is one of the better ones. There's another mark here. This is one of the better ones. The rest of them, like there, look, there's a little chip there. So some of the wheels are a little bit worse than the others, but like they'll have some curb rash here. Like I said, they're just to make the Accord look a little bit nicer. Wow, look at that. Look. I hope you like the wheels. I think they look absolutely amazing on it. The Accord has this height all right, and maybe I'll need to get lower in springs, or I would love to be able to get air suspension. I know I said that before, I didn't want to get air suspension, but I kind of do now, because that on the deck with those wheels tucked in behind, oh, that would just look so good, that Accord. But the way it is now, it does look good. There's a couple more little things I have to do to it anyway. I want to get new brakes, because the brakes are squeaking and so on. You know, new discs and pads. I left the little plastic thing in the car off the wheel nuts. The wheel nuts had this little plastic sort of key, and it was like it was an Allen key. It was kind of like an Allen key like this, you know. And the plastic, when you were tightening it up, just kept winding. It wasn't tightening properly. So if you're going to get those wheel nuts, which again I got them off Wish or AliExpress for maybe €40, I think. They're really cool looking. They look great on the wheels. But just get a normal Allen key and use that instead of those plastic ones. They're rubbish. That's the only thing I can say bad about those wheel nuts, that I need to get my own Allen key for them. Other than that, all good. Right, here's something else I've actually just done as well. These are the original colour. These are super bright LED T10s. But I want to know if you would rather to see the super bright, the original, or these. What's better? Oh, not there. What's better looking? Is that nicer? Or is that nicer? Or is it that? Well, obviously not that. I'm not going to stay with that. Don't like that. But my choice would be either that Will I choose the Honda signs? I don't know. Anyway, let us know in the comments what you think I should put on. All white T10s, super bright, or the Honda signs. I don't know what to do. So let me know. Anyway, that's all I have for this video. Please like it if you liked it. Anyway, please give us a like, a comment, share, and subscribe. Obviously, the more the merrier, yeah, as they say. Okay, thanks very much for watching. See you later.